All practice pages and other materials for learning cursive are available at my Teachers Pay Teachers store at www.teacherspayteachers.com/store/Ann-Fosnight. Learning Cursive, Lesson 38. Capital K. We can see that a printed capital K and a cursive capital K are very much alike, except for the curves that are added for making it cursive. A capital K is another candy cane letter. We start between the midline and headline, do an overcurve to the baseline. It looks like a candy cane. A capital K is also another one of the letters that you pick up your pencil to make the next part, like H. And like H, it begins at the headline with a kind of slanting curved line over to the midline, and then down and back up, and we have a K. So we'll make that candy cane over curve, curve in from the headline to the midline, kick out, and end with an undercurve. A capital K is another letter, a capital that connects. Overcurve from between the midline and headline down to the baseline, curve in and touch the midline, kick out, and make an undercurve. Capital K. As you get ready to complete the capital K practice page, make sure your desk area is neat. Make sure you are sitting up straight. Make sure your paper is properly slanted and that you've written your name neatly at the top of the page. A capital K, here's our model, starts with a candy cane, a curve over to the midline, and down and up in an undercurve. We'll do the practice, the training wheel letters that help our hand get the feel of the letter, a candy cane, a curve in and touch, out and into an undercurve. So we have the candy cane, the curve in that touches, out and an undercurve. After you've trained your hand on the strokes, come on down and do the next line on your own. Make a candy cane, curve in from the headline to the midline, and come out in your undercurve. Check out your work. Make sure your letters are coming out neatly and look like the model. When you're satisfied with your work, we'll move on to making a connector. A capital K connects to its next letter with an undercurve, which we're experts at doing. So we make our candy cane, our curve in, our undercurve, and up on into the next letter. Capital K, lowercase k. When you do this, make sure you touch the headline. Make sure you touch the baseline. Make sure that your second stroke goes into the midline, comes out, many names begin with a capital K. On here we have Kaylee, Caleb, Keely, Khalil, Kim, Kristen. If your name begins with a K, feel free to cross out one of those and put your own name there. Trace them and write them. You can write some of them more than once, perhaps. And after this, we're going to move on to some undercurve letters.